Hello there, traders. Hello, fellow champions. Welcome to another video of Trading for a Living Forex Champion series. So, I know, guys, I've been busy for quite some time for the past week. That because I've been focusing more of my growing TFP champion community as well as all my students. So, but for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys one of the best secrets that helped me improve my forex price action and market structure trading. So I'll be sharing with you as well one of the recent trade that I took and the thought process why I took that trade. So using that method and strategy of price action and market structure. So a big shout out to all my VIP students. So if you want to be part of the growing community and the VIP champion family, go check all the description below. Go check all the details at the description below rather. So without further ado, let's get straight into the charts. Alright, but before that, I only promote what I know is the best. So if you want to trade with the best broker, trade with USGFX. Alright, be smart, be informed, be with USGFX. Alright, so what do we have here? So this is the trade that I recently took. So using just price action and market structure trading. So one of the secrets, as I said, first thing you need to do is turn all your candlestick colors into a single color only. So that will help you improve your market structure reading and only focusing on the movement and behavior of the price market. So you are not distracted on whatever color the market price makes. So, all right. So what do we have here? The reason I took this short trade or sell trade was that I knew that time that the price moves in a bullish manner, right? From a low and then high and then what? Higher low, right? And then what? Higher high. However, right? However, the price, what? Price broke and formed still another higher low. However, it formed what? A lower high. So that gave me an indication that the price momentum is shifting now towards the downside. But I didn't took the trade right away. So I observed what the market did and wait for the right opportunity for a high probability trade setup. All right. So after that, the price went for an impulse, strong move impulse to the downside. So for a lower low. So during the time that the price created and broke this structure, so again, one strategy that I use is turning my not actually a strategy, but one secret that I use in order for me to read the market structure better is turn my price chart into a line chart, right? So the moment that the price broke the structure, this key significant level, this horizontal line right here, this blue line, I know that the price now will head towards a correction. So after an impulse move to the downside for a lower low formation, definitely I am already eyeing at this level that I made, right, for a what? For another correction towards the upside for a lower high formation. So that will provide a trend continuation for me if ever the market showed a selling pressure selling pressure candles or candle in this area or zone. So I will just mark my zone over here, right? So during the time, I know for a fact that once the price broke structure, definitely we know that this level was once a support. Definitely when the price broke this structure, I know this will be the future resistance or the new resistance. So even though the price made a movement, another lower low, I'm still eyeing for an entry on this key level structure or key level resistance over here. Why? Because I know that the price would probably made a correction, forming a lower high again for a trend continuation going to the downside. All right. So during that time, I was very patient, very disciplined to wait for the right opportunity to sell this market. Right. I didn't chase for the price. So one of the common mistakes of the beginners is they always tend to chase for the price. Either it goes up or it goes down. What's the problem with that? They're already what going against the concept of buy low, sell high. Whenever you chase for the price towards the downside, you're not selling at the best price level possible. So always sell higher and always buy at a lower price. For this case, I want to sell at a higher price. So even though the price made another lower low, I'm still eyeing for an opportunity at my key level structure of this key level resistance zone or level. Why? Because I didn't see any formation of what selling pressure over here, even though the market already went to this area. So I still waited for the right opportunity and right formation of the price, because I know that the price will always show me what I want to see. So this helped me improve my trading using just the price behavior of market structure and price action. So that time when I saw this formation as a selling pressure candle, this candle over here, right? I'll just zoom this price chart over here. So the moment I saw this formation and this fakey move, so I was not enticed by the move of this candlestick, this bullish pin bar. Why? Because this bullish pin bar is heading my key level resistance. So that will contradict my theory of or analysis of selling this market or shorting this market. So, however, when I saw this candlestick formation as a strong selling pressure, right after that, I placed my sell trade over here. Of course, the stop loss just above structure, just to make sure, regardless if the market go crazy and made some crazy consolidation over here, I know that the market will still go down. Why? Because the market already have broken structure over here. All right, so a simple concept using market structure, uh, previous support definitely once broken becomes new resistance. So I know I'm trying to short the market at this key level area or zone. All right, so right after this formation, the market consolidated for a while, for a few hours maybe, during the time, because uh, I tend not to focus on the charts and monitor every now and then. I only monitor the charts whether it hit my TP or stop loss. Alright guys, so my I'm only monitoring at a higher time frame. Alright, so because I'm doing something else and I don't want to be emotionally attached in every trade that I make. So once I place a trade, I close my computer and that's it. All right. I know that I'm always trusting my analysis and I always have this confidence uh in my trades. So I have caught this trade. One is to three risk to reward ratio. So not bad. I'm happy with it. So profit is still a profit. So regardless of how many risk to reward ratio, but for me, I always target to at least 1:3 minimum for my take profit. So how did I come up with the take profit at this level? Very simple. I just went to the higher time frame at the daily and then converted my price candle chart into a line chart. So I know that this uh, level or zone is my key significant level of support in the future. That is why I have placed my take profit over here. All right, so pretty happy with my trade. Caught this huge move to the downside. as evident in this H1 zone, H1 time frame rather. So, alright, that is how I trade a very simple concept of market structure and price action using just what single color candlestick price chart. Alright, because instead of me being distracted by candlestick color formations or whatever patterns it makes, so I'm only focusing on the movement rather than what the colors is trying to show me. So the movement itself will definitely help you improve your analysis as a price action trader. All right, so I have caught this trade, huge move, good profit, and less emotional attachment. Nothing less, nothing more. I don't have to complicate things. Guys, as a tip for you, I know a lot of professional traders, they don't clutter the charts with a lot of indicators. All right, so the simpler the better. So as I progress, I realized that I became mature as a trader, and I realized that the more I became mature, uh, the lesser things or tools I put on the price chart or in my analysis. So I only have just a basic horizontal key support level and reading the price chart itself. So guys, you don't have to complicate things. All right, the simpler the better. And I think one of the most common mistakes as well by the beginners is they tend to focus more on those advanced stuff that in the end their decision making is being hindered, or they rather be confused rather than be a straightforward decision. So you don't have to wait for four confirmation of indicators just to place a certain trade. You only have a simple rules in your system that whenever you break structure, wait for the candlestick formation, and that's it. Place a trade right away. All right, as long as you have the proper risk management as well in every trade that you make. So that is, guys, that's it, guys, for the concept on this market structure and price action. All right, that is how I caught this message sorry massive huge move to the downside. So what a tongue twister or for that word. So all right, so apologize for that. And uh what else? So, as I've said, you don't have to complicate things. Just read the behavior, the candlestick formations, and you're good to go. Okay? So, you can be profitable using this strategy. A simple strategy is way better than cluttering your charts with a lot of freaking indicators, MACD, or RSI, stochastic, CCI, whatever it is, you name it, moving averages. So I don't have to wait for those confirmations for those lagging indicators. All right, so that is it for today's episode, for today's video, and I hope you have learned something, and I hope you found value in this simple thought process on how I took this trade, a simple analysis which helped me become a better trader in the long run. Why? I only trade what I know is obvious, and I only trade a high probability trade setup. So I don't force my trades, I don't chase for the price. The FOMO mentality is not there, and of course I have the proper risk management. So that is why I have capitalized on this huge move of the market. Okay, so that is it for today's uh, video. Again, a big shout out to all my uh, VIP students. Again, if you want to be my student, go check all the details at the description below. And see you at the next episode, and see you at the next video for some more quality education, advanced or even intermediate or beginner stuff for you guys, those who want to learn forex trading. So I'll be throwing again a free session for you guys. So just wait for my announcement at the private group. So if you aren't part of the private group, go check the description again, and make sure you abide by the rules. If not, definitely I will not accept you as a member. So thank you to all those supporters, and to all your kind words, your comments, your criticisms, whatever it is. It helps me be motivated in sharing with you guys my knowledge in forex trading. So again, thank you and see you at the next video.